Well, I guess I should wash it off before I think about doing anything. So somehow I had enough hose to get all the way down here. I mean, don't pay attention to the leak in the hose up there, but hey, it'll work. I got the batteries out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet because they're half cooked. I don't know. But we'll wash all this shit off from here all the way back. So got the turbo bagged off. That'll be like that until I get the new pieces. And yeah, get all this fire smoke off. Like some of this stuff, I don't know if it's necessarily burnt. It just has soot on it, if you know what I mean. But yeah, nasty shit right there. Well, like an hour and a half of pressure washing later, I'm fucking absolute. But I don't think it looks half bad. I took like, I'm not even kidding you, probably less than 5 minutes to get all the burnt wires off this thing. Just go snip, 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 done. Like for how big of a mess that looked right here, not bad. You can see all the burnt off lines clear as day now. The best part is it didn't even cook any of the paint off the whole transmission case. I mean, even right here on the block, we still got paint. Valve covers cooked to about here, but I did notice burn this elbow off here. That's cool. But other than that, of course, the harder I look, I find spots I missed. It ain't perfect, but if you've seen them before, it's a little better here. It's not as bad as when it's cleaned up. It doesn't look so bad, I guess. But yeah, honestly, I think new wires, new hoses, and a cab, you need to be ready to try it. Like this stuff, this is just all melted. See, I'd have to figure out what to do about this on the starter. But like this isn't dirt, it's just melted plastic. But I tried getting on in there with the pressure washer, but you can only get so much. I should just stop looking because I could be here for 20 days washing on this thing. But I even washed up in here. Of course, it's not a heated pressure washer, so everything just takes that much longer, but don't look as bad as I thought originally. I'm going to try to, I know I got water in there, but figured I have to change the oil anyway. I'll still cap. There's just shit in there anyway, so I don't know how much water really got down in there, but I'm probably going to have to change the oil anyway. But I'll cover it for some rainwater. You can tell that those were there until you had it washed anyway. But look at that. I guess the plan is fix it, get it to run. Don't even do AC or nothing. Make it prove itself before you touch anything worth luxury. Like, just make it run, prove itself. Screw the paint for a long time. Prove itself, and then you can like paint the hood or find a different hood or whatever. It might be warped a little bit, but yeah, just burnt to a crisp. But yeah, I need to stop looking. I could be here all day. But that I'm gonna have to start back up and get that back in there. That's just dirt from before it burnt, but yeah, cool. Not as bad as I thought, I guess. Not really. Even this isn't burnt. It looks like I just need brake lines, all these oil lines, heater hose lines. I don't think a cab would come with the heater hoses. I wouldn't imagine. They're probably junk anyway. From the tractor forward wiring, which is not very much. You got the alternator, you got the fuel, you got oil pressure, you got coolant temp. What the hell else is there? AC line or AC wires. That's interesting how they have all this wire here and it goes right to there. Like, that seems a little excessive. Someone did that. And then I think the radiator's fine if you can get this piece tacked on, brazed on or something, and then get it flushed. And then when you have that off, obviously get this melted shroud off, which this stuff is rock solid again. And I'm hoping the starter's all right, but I don't know about this right here. But yeah, cool. Well, this is a short video, but she's cleaned up, I guess. We'll see what goes from here. I don't know. That looks good. That's the cleanest it's been probably since the day it came off the assembly line.